So as you can see here, we've got 4 different options for siding. You've got the vinyl, you've got James Hardy, we've got the stucco, and then stone. So when most people are trying to make a decision about the product that they want to put on their home, most importantly, it's about the aesthetics, because you're going to see it around the entire perimeter of the house. There's quite a few differences between them, obviously. The first one is one of the most cost-effective as far as that goes, which is the vinyl. The 2 most popular styles are either going to be the Dutch lap or the monogram. And the whole purpose of siding itself is to give you that wood appearance. So when you're driving by a house, it's going to look or make it look like wood. So these are the 2 closest styles that can do that. Both of these are going to be hollow back. Okay, so they are going to be. The other option that some people are concerned or they have a lot of questions about is the insulation factor on the siding. So we call this foam back siding. There's not a huge advantage to doing foam backed other than the fact that it's going to give it some kind of support. So obviously here in the Midwest, we're prone to hailstorms, things of that nature. So it's going to give it a lot of support as opposed to having no support behind it. So when if a piece of hail hits here, it's going to bend and give a lot more than if a piece of hail hits here. There's not as much give.